Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to go by viewing your like videos on YouTube. So if you want to see your like history, and then I'll show you how to locate that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on your YouTube channel. So open lang natin yan. And once na open mo na yung ating YouTube channel, so dito lang sa left side menu and dito lang sa top left corner ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong line. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung like videos. Ito siya. So i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay makikita mo lahat dito yung mga videos na nilike mo. Okay, so kumbaga ito yung like history. So nandito lahat yung mga videos na nalike natin. Alright, so pwede mo naman i-check dito yung video. So click mo lang yan. And then nandito lahat. And then meron naman dito yung mga short video na nilike mo. So click mo lang yan. Ayan, so makikita mo lahat dito. Kapag gusto mo lahat, click mo lang dito yung all dito sa taas. Ayan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to see like videos on YouTube. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.